Google has a lot of volume to the upside. I know OpenAI is not coming up with a search engine. That's kind of looking very bullish for Google. But then I do believe OpenAI's capabilities showcasing on 10 a.m. tomorrow is kind of bad for Google. I do think 166 retest is going to happen there. If we do lose 166, 160 kind of opens up for Google. 165 put is something that I'm looking out for on Google on just to play a day trade kind of scenario. If we do see some kind of a weakness, there's other problem with Google here, where like we are talking about Apple potentially closing a deal with OpenAI for their chat for using their AI generative capabilities, which Google was also part of the discussion. But then the headline on Saturday kind of said Apple was very close to inking the deal with OpenAI, which is kind of a bad news for Google. So I think there will be a sentiment where we will see a lower retest of 166, 165, and then we head back higher. I'm very long Google. I have a lot of shares from 121.